What should couples prioritize after moving into a new home? Furniture, repairs, or savings? I got you. Step 1. Handle repairs and safety issues first. Anything involving leaks, electrical, plumbing, or security. Small problems become expensive fast. Step 2. Build a home emergency fund. Unexpected expenses always show up in the first year, and savings protect your peace of mind. Step 3. Furniture comes last. Start with essentials only. You can always decorate over time, but financial stability should come first. Simple rule: secure the home, secure the finances, then style the home. Couples Corner with Address Found.